Welcome to Friday Frequency Decrees. Today we'll be decreeing from AM Adorations and Affirmations booklet. If you choose to have a booklet, the link is in our group. And if you have a booklet, we're going to be on page 56. 56, top of the page. Today's decree is a very generic, easily memorized decree to carry you through your week. I am eternally God-controlled every moment, every day, in everything and every way. When we read our decrees, we'll read them in groups of 3. We may tweak some words to make it more conscious language oriented, and we'll talk a little bit as well. So let's take this one just a little bit at a time. I am. I am that I am is my name for God. It's a name in scripture, and I usually speak it as I am and I am. And I am carries power. I is God, am is action in conscious life language. I is God, am as action. So I am, for me, is God in action. So here we go again. I am eternally God-controlled every moment, every day, in everything and every way. I am eternally God-controlled every moment, every day, in everything and every way. And one more time. I am eternally God-controlled in every moment, every day, in everything and every way. Our decrees are our alignment within. We get to agree with God in us, with our Creator in us, who moves our being, our body. He blinks my eyes, He beats my heart, He does all the things for me. My job on my planet is to agree and align. This is what my decrees are for. They're for me. I am eternally God-controlled every moment, every day, in everything and every way. I suggest checking in. I do with me as well. Anytime I'm experiencing something other than an attribute of my Creator, whatever it is, I get to check in. I get to go in me. I get to choose where I am. And I get to remind me in my decrees of my choice. I am eternally God-controlled every moment, every day, in everything and every way. Have a beautiful week.